Hey, Linda Borgie from Farmyard. What's going on? Just wanted to check in with you goobers and let you know what's happening here at Mr. G's Eggplant Factory in Brooksville, Florida. We're farming a yard. Let me flip this camera around here. So here we are. This is a 30-gallon food grade vessel, and it's got water in it. And the reason is because I like the water to off gas before I use it. No one needs chlorine, like the microbes. It kills them. This is a rain barrel. I have to put it up on a 3-foot platform, and this is going to be my gravity-fed drip irrigation for this field. Okay? So far I made 2 beds, with the 3rd one on the way and the 4th one tomorrow. What I have in the paths is paper, and it's paper with tiny little holes throughout it. That's because breadcrumbs come in these bags. I always like to see what's in my waste stream, right, Mr. G? Before I go out and buy anything. So this is going to be, it's got holes in it, so the water's going to go through it. It's not going to blow away. I put some soil on it, and it's really going to keep the weeds out of my paths. So my friends, calling it a day a little early today, because I tell you, the last couple of days have really been long. So I will catch you on the flip side. And until then, go farm your yard.